Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have 2012 Ford Fusion and I will show you how to remove and replace the engine air filter. This video will apply to Ford Fusions made from 2010 all the way up to 2012. It is very easy to replace the engine air filter, and this should be done pretty much with every oil change. The filter is located right here under this cover. Now to remove the cover, first you'll want to unclip 3 clips, one here and one there. So just want to pull it over it yourself. Okay. Now once you've done that, all you have to do, you have to pull this cover towards yourself, but you have to do it under an angle. So just want to kind of lift this side a bit up and then pull it towards yourself to release it, because you'll see here on this side you'll have a couple of tabs which are inside these holes. So you just have to get this off, and now you have the full access to the air filter just under it. Now to change the filter, you don't even have to completely remove this. There's enough space just to pull the filter out, clean the housing and insert the new filter. You can do it this way in under 2 minutes. Now if you want, you can also loosen up this here and then completely remove the cover. Disconnect the MAF sensor, and then you will have the full access to the filter, but this is more than enough space to pull it out. Okay, so I will show it to you. I had to use both of my hands to hold the cover while I'm pulling out the filter, but this is the idea, right? You can just pull it out all the way. So once you remove the filter, and when installing the new filter, you just have to make sure to install it the right way, right? So because your new filter, especially if you do the aftermarket one, it might be a bit different. It's gonna be most likely white, so just make sure you install it in the right position, and then you can also clean inside here before you install the filter. Thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.